Last time we reacted to the speech of Colonel Ryan Cohen of the US Marine Corps before they go to the battlefield. Today we're going to react to another speech, but this time it's not US Marine Corps, it's Navy SEAL. And the speech is given by Navy SEAL Senior Chief Jason Garner. So, enough talking, let's go. Let's go!
We've done many times before. To set foot into place, the enemy can't fathom a field. Certainly doesn't expect us.
Okay.
Deep in his backyard. We're going to secure his property, his weapons, and his drugs. And at daybreak, we'll draw a line in the sand and say, bring that weak shit. A cowardly foe who intimidates and bullies an unarmed populace. Tomorrow the hunter is going to become the hunter. And every
what a line!
First of PKM will be answered with accurate small arms and sniper fire.
Woo.
Every blast from an RPG will be silenced by a 30mm cannon. And every spotter folded in place by the white-hot justice of 762.
White hot justice,
And
bro.
we'll have a sandwich. And listen to the hysterical jabberings over the icon. And when the sun sets, and we've killed all who oppose us, then we'll destroy his drugs, take his weapons, and disappear into rumor and fear.
And disappear into rumor and fear. What a line, bro. That's a tier 1 ninja shit. God damn. Okay. That speech, bro, that's so badass. Shit. So, that's it. Ciao.